Let's get started. First, let's get to the GitHub page for ComfyUI. This page includes all the details we will need to download and install this software. On this page, there is a green button that says Code. If we click on that button, we can copy the URL or click the Copy button. On our Linux system, we can type git clone and then paste the URL we copied from GitHub, then press Enter. This will create a copy of the repository. Looking back at the GitHub page, it includes a command to install Wacom and PyTorch. In my case, I have an NVIDIA graphic card, but if you have a AMD card, you will use a different command than me. We enter the command and wait a few minutes for it to install. We also need to use this command to download the needed dependencies for ComfyUI. Once that is complete, we can start ComfyUI. If everything is installed correctly, it will provide a URL to access its website. For my install, I'm going to create a small bash file to start. I'm going to use nano to edit a file and then put the commands needed to run. I'm using ls to confirm the file is there and also using chmod so I can run it. Now I can use this new bash script to launch ComfyUI. The last part we need is called a model or checkpoint. There are a lot of different options, but for this video, I'm going to use DreamShaper. You can download this model and a lot of other models from Civet AI. Once the file is downloaded, we'll save this file into the checkpoints folder under models. To access ComfyUI, we browse to the URL that is provided when we start the script. This is the basic flow that is good to get started. Here we make sure the DreamShaper model is selected, and then select QPrompt to generate our image. I can change the prompt to generate a different type of image. And here are some other images I have created. And that is the basics on how to install and use ComfyUI. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Dataization. Got any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.